Hello everyone, welcome back to the session of data structures. In this session, we are going to see what are the different deletion operations that we can perform on circular linker list. These are the three different deletion operations that we can perform on circular linker list. One is deleting a node from the beginning of the list. The other one is deleting a node from the middle of the circular linker list, and the other one is deleting a node from the end of a circular linker list. Here I'm representing a circular single linker list. Whereas to delete a node from the beginning of a circular linker list, what we have to do is we have to check whether there are some nodes in the list or not. Here we have some nodes in the list, so we can perform the deletion operation. If there are no nodes in the list, then we cannot perform deletion operation. Just we have to state that the list is empty. First we have to check whether there are nodes or not. For that I'm checking this condition: if head is equals to null. When we say head is null, when there are no nodes in the list. Here we have head is equals to null. It means there are no nodes in the list, then directly we have to mention the list is empty. But here we have some nodes in the list, so we'll not represent this if statement. We will see the else statement. The else statement is how to delete a node from the beginning of the list. First, what we have to do is you have to mark the head node as current. It means the first node as current node. Now what we have to do, you have to move the head node to the second node, where the second node is present at the address of current node, at the address of current node. So in C next, the address of second node will be present. So we have to move the head node to the current next. So head equal to current next. So head is moved to the current next address, that is this place. Head is moved to this place. So automatically what happens? The link between these two get disconnected when we establish the link from last to first. Now what we have to do, this is a head node, so we have to mark, we have to store that in tail next we have to store the address of head. So again we have to mention the statement tail next equals to head. Now we have to free up the current node. This is how we can delete a node from the beginning of the list. This is before deletion, it will be like this, and after deletion this will be like this. Here we don't have null, here we have the address of head node. That's why it is marked like this in circular way. Similarly, we have another deletion operation that is to be performed at the end of the list. Suppose here also the same condition, we have to check whether there are nodes in the list or not. If head is equals to null, it means directly we have to mention that the list is empty. But here we have some nodes. So for that what we do is we'll go for this else statement, where here what I'm doing is, if you want to delete the last node, we don't know where the list has been ended. So from the first node we have to traverse till last node. So here what we check is, initially I'm assigning current to head node, that is current equals to head node. When we'll say that the node is this node is a particular node is last, when it's in address, when the node's address block with the address of head node is present. So for that I'm repeating the loop, current next not equals to head, until this situation get false. I'm moving the current node from previous to next, next to current to previous. So this I'm marking as previous, again I'm marking this as current node. Again I'm checking whether this is last node or if this is not last node, I'm marking this as previous node, again this as current node. This is not the last node, so again I'm moving, I'm marking this as previous node, this as current node. Again I'm checking, is this last node or not? Here 40 is not last node. So what I'm doing, I'm marking this as previous node and this as current node. So this is the last node, because now we can state that the current node is C is the last node, because in this current next we are showing the address of head. So this is the last node. So here what do I do is, in previous next I store the address of head node. In previous next I store the address of head node. So automatically this link get deleted and I'm freeing up this current node. This is how I'm doing it. This is how we can delete a node from the end of the list, where this is the representation of a circular linker list after this deletion. Now this is the deletion in the middle position. This is similar to that of deletion in a single linked list from a particular position. If you want to delete this node, I have to mention at which particular position you want to delete. That is 3. Initially, I'm marking this as temp node, and I'm checking whether this is at position number 3. No, this is not at position number 3. So I'm marking this as temp 1 and this as temp. Now again, I'm checking temporary. Temporary is that position number 3? No. So what I'm doing? I'm moving this temp 1 to second node and temp to third node. Okay. Now is temp at position number 3? Yes. Now what do I do is in the address of temp1 next, I'm storing the address of temp next. That is this address. So automatically this link get established here. This is how I'm checking. This is loop is for moving from position number 3. Now see here, temp1 next, I'm storing the address of temp next. So the link between these two will get deleted, and also the link between these will be established by the help of this temp, this statement. Temp1 next, I'm storing the address of temp next. Temp next address is at position at value number 40. This is before deletion and this is after deletion representation of a node in a circular linked list. Finally, if you want to print what is the data which you are deleted, you can print that data. Because this 30 is pointing to temp, you can print the temp data. If you want to free up the memory, use the dynamic deallocation memory that is free, and you can free up the memory of that deleted node. This is how you can delete a node from the middle of the circular linked list also. Hope you have understood the deletion procedure also. Thank you so much.